We will do the third question. The one under, let's evaluate. Mark 3 points A, B, and C and draw a circle passing through these points. Join A, B, C and draw a triangle. Give different colors to the triangle and the circle. So we have GeoGebra. The software GeoGebra is open, and to draw the circle passing through the 3 points from group 6, we will select circle through 3 points, and we will plot the first point, then move the mouse and plot the second point. And now we got a line passing through these 2 points. Again move the mouse, and now we are getting a circle, and to fix we have to click for the third point. And now we got the circle passing through the 3 points, and to draw that we will label this. So right click, show label. We got the point as A. Again right click, show label, the point B we got. Again right click, show label. So now we got the 3 points A, B and C, and now we have to we have to draw the triangle passing through these 3 points A, B and C. So for that, from group 5 we will select polygon, and we have to select the point A. So bring the mouse pointer to the point A, and when we click the mouse and move the mouse, we will get a line. And now we have to select the point B. So again click on that point B. Again we will move the mouse, and then we will click on the point C. Again we will move the mouse, and we will select the point A. So now we got a triangle passing joining the points A, B and C. And now we have to give different colors. So we will place the mouse pointer inside this triangle, right click the mouse, object properties, and from this color we can select the color, and to give a darker shade we have opacity here. Just move the mouse, and we will get a darker shade of that color. And again we will select the circle, right click, object properties, and again we will select another color. So we will move the mouse, and we will give a opacity. So we are getting a darker shade of that color. So like this we can give different colors for the triangle and the circle. And we have to save this. So from file we will select save as, and we will give the file name as geo eval 3, then save. We have selected the folder GeoGebra, and now we are saving this. We will do the fourth question. Mark a point P and draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter centered at P. Measure the length of the radius using distance or length 2. So first of all, from group 6, we will select the second option, circle with center and radius. We will plot the point, and when we click the mouse, we will get this window, and here we have to give the radius. In the question, the radius is given as 3 centimeter. So we will enter the value as 3 and then OK. So we got a circle, and this point is our center. And we will rename this. We got the value as A. We will rename this as P. So now we got the point as P. When we label the give the option show label, we will get the point as A, and then you have to select that point, right click, and then rename that. And now we want to measure the radius. So to measure the radius, we need another point on the circle. So from group 2, we will select point, and we will click the mouse on the circle so that we will get another point on the circle. And now we will label that also. So right click, show label, and we got that point as A, since we have renamed the first value. And now from group 3, we have to select segment, and then we have to select the center, that is P. Then move the mouse and click on the point A. So now we got the segment passing through A and P. And now from group 8, we have to select distance or length. Again, we have to select the point P. Then we have to select the point A. And now we got the radius. AP is equal to 3. So we got the length of the radius as 3. We already gave the radius as 3, and now we measured the length of the radius. And again we have to save this. So from file, save as, we have the folder GeoGebra, and we will give the file name. We will give the file name as GeoEval4. Then save.